Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Hbar holders. Appreciate all the love. Let's get right in today's update and really understand, what we're looking at as far as the price of Hbar is concerned and what we could be expecting as we are going into Tuesday morning. Monday was a great day for the broader market, an amazing start to the week. You can see for yourself a lot of green across the board, double-digit gainers pretty much across the market right now. As far as Hbar price is concerned, Hbar also showing some nice signs right now, up 5.5% right now with the price currently sitting at 23 cents, and also up a 5% in Bitcoin comparative, which again is nice to see. Valuation approaching 10 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume for Hbar is also picking, currently sitting at about 351 million. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I want to talk to you guys about, first and foremost, Bitcoin. Bitcoin reached a new all-time high yesterday at 126,145. Once again, a little bit of a correction. But what's happening with the dominance is what you want to be paying very close attention to. We know dominance reached a new new monthly high just a few hours back. You could see this for yourself. It was pretty much last midnight at 59.35%. As you could see for yourself, regardless of Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high or not, you're continuously seeing the dominance pulling down, exactly what we wanted to see happening. So the question now is Bitcoin top in? I personally think Bitcoin still has a little bit more leg left in itself, especially if you're looking at the M2 money supply. But right now is something you want to pay very close attention to, because as Bitcoin retraced a little bit from its all-time high, you're looking at the dominance pulling down, meaning we're actually seeing the capital flow back into altcoins, and you could really see for yourself as to how much green we're seeing right now within the broader market. Is this really the start to that next wave? We'll see. Obviously, I'll keep you guys covered. If you're looking at the price of Hbar, let's actually give it a refresh live and talk about what's happening with Hbar. So Hbar has finally broken out. A new monthly high. We went up to 23.3 cents. And again, a level that we haven't retested since September 21st. And your boy Crypto ZX has been talking to you guys about this range and how we could be retesting that once we break out of this key level where we were prior to that. So remember that resistance that we were facing around 22.5 cents. Now, as we did get rejected at 23.3 cents. Look at how that previous resistance is coming in our favor. You could see this for yourself. That exact same resistance right now is playing as a support line for the price of Hbar. I like what I'm seeing here. Amazing stuff. Again, the dominance is doing exactly what you want to see the dominance do. I'm projecting the dominance to retest 58.6%, and I think this is just going to give altcoins even more of a room to push towards the upside. And obviously, you guys know our target for that is going to be about around 25.4 cents, and then goes back to the major key resistance. Again, the thing that we haven't been above since August 14th. I saw some comments about like 2 to 3 videos ago how Hbar's not doing anything, yada yada yada. But again, I want you guys to zoom out and take a look at the price of Hbar. Even though we're seeing quite a bit of volatility in the month of September, as of now we haven't really seen any volatility since the start of October. It has been a great month, but last month we did see quite a bit of that. And regardless of that, you did see the price of Hbar still hold its ground quite nicely, and I really do believe people are gonna see that FOMO factor. And as CZ said, if you do follow CZ on Twitter, people are going to start now saying, oh, I wish I bought more of XYZ, pretty much like, blank. That's what he's pretty much saying. Those comments do usually come when you do tend to see the market heating up, a lot of excitement in the markets, and then when the market really starts heading towards some of the levels that we haven't seen for quite some time, and that's where that retail interest comes in, and everyone acts like they're the biggest moon boys. But shout out to the people that have been following the Hbar videos, and no matter no matter if it was a consolidation day, if it was a parabolic day, if it was a boring day, the ones that supported, no matter what, I appreciate you guys so much. Continue supporting, and I will bring you guys a continuation of these updates. But remember, have your exit strategies in place. Cannot stress that enough. And we'll see you guys later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.